Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make sliding videos. We'll cover everything from the basic concept to polishing your final product. Sliding videos are a fantastic way to keep your audience engaged with smooth, dynamic transitions between scenes or information. They add a professional touch and can be surprisingly simple to create once you know the steps. Get ready to transform your content with these easy-to-follow techniques and make your videos truly stand out. To get started, you'll need some basic tools. Any modern video editing software, such as Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or even simpler options, will work perfectly. The key is to have high-quality visual assets, whether they are images or video clips, to ensure your final product looks crisp. A reliable computer with enough power will make your editing process much smoother, preventing frustrating delays. Choose the tools that best fit your budget and skill level. Now for the fun part, creating your video. Start by importing all your images and video clips into your editing software and arranging them in the desired sequence on your timeline. Next, apply slide transitions between each segment. You can experiment with sliding from the left, right, top, or bottom and adjust the duration for a seamless flow. Don't forget to add background music, sound effects, and clear text overlays to further enhance your message and engage your viewers. To finalize your sliding video, give it a thorough review. Watch it several times to check that all transitions are perfectly smooth and the overall pacing feels just right. Make any necessary adjustments to timing or effects. Once you are satisfied, export your video in a high-quality format suitable for where you plan to share it, whether that's YouTube, Instagram, or another platform. And speaking of smart choices, if you're looking to truly transform your financial perspective, check out the book *The Simple Path to Wealth*. You'll find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.